In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a Notion workspace. If you've joined a workspace for a project and you're done or you ended up in the wrong place, leaving it is quick and straightforward. Just remember, once you leave, you'll immediately lose access to its pages and databases. So before you start, make sure you don't need anything from that workspace and consider exporting any notes you personally own or asking an admin to transfer ownership if needed. First, open your browser and go to notion.com. Click login, then sign in the way you normally do. Once you're in, Notion will show your available workspaces. Look for the workspace you want to leave and switch into it so you're viewing that space. Double check the name and icon so you're absolutely sure you're in the right one. Next, open settings. Depending on your layout, this is usually labeled settings and members and lives in the left sidebar or under the workspace menu at the top. Inside settings, click people to view the directory, then choose members. This section lists everyone who belongs to the workspace, including you. Find your own entry in the list. If there are many members, use the search bar at the top to quickly narrow it down. When you see your name, click the small drop-down menu next to it. A few options will appear. Select Leave Workspace. Notion will show a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to go. Read it carefully, then click Remove to confirm. That's it. After you confirm, Notion removes you from the workspace immediately. You won't have access to its pages, and it will disappear from your workspace switcher. If you still need in later, you'll have to be invited back by someone with the right permissions. If you're leaving because you changed teams, this is a clean way to keep your sidebar tidy and your notifications relevant. One quick note on content ownership. Leaving doesn't delete pages you created inside that workspace. They remain there for other members, and you'll lose editing rights. If there's anything you need to keep for yourself, duplicate it to a personal space first, as long as that's allowed by your team's policies. And if the Leave Workspace option looks unavailable, it usually means an admin needs to adjust a setting, so reach out to them for help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.